Yo, what's good with y'all boys? So today we did take an L today. Sadly, we did take an L. Yes, we took an L. And I realized that I did multiple things wrong. There was literally a liquidity sweep pre-market and I literally fell for manipulation. So watch this. So if we go on trading view, guys, and I literally was backtesting what I did wrong because I was like, bro, there's no way I failed something like this. What's it showing? Yes. Boom. Okay, guys. So let's go back to the video I posted because, bro, I like messed up so bad, bro. Y'all peep the new hat, bro. Y'all peep the new hat. But anyways, okay. So if we go back and look what I did, move me up here actually. Okay. If we look back at what I did, bro, I literally fell for manipulation. This is a liquidity sweep right here. And what did we get on NQ? It literally swept the lows and boom, it shot up. But the thing too is I gotta keep it low. But the thing too, I woke up late, bro. I woke up like when the market was like right here, and I was like, okay, it's gonna go down, bro. It did not go down, bro. Watch this. Oh, guys, I'm putting me right here, bro. I'm
Only if
so
I didn't
mad.
wake up so late, bro. I woke up so late. I woke up like freaking pre-market, bro. Like,
I'm so
no, I
mad,
actually
bro.
woke up like when market literally was already up here. I literally woke up when market was already up here, bro. If I was at these times,
Like,
bro.
okay, so anyways, you guys see I took the trade and I did lose that trade because market saved me, from more money lost. So let me tell you guys what I did wrong. First of all, we had an SMT on the 5 minute. We had a first of all SMT the 5 minute. Nasdaq created a lower high while NQ made like literally equal lows. Boom, we marked those out. Boom. So ES made lower lows. ES made lower lows in the market to the upside. So if you guys don't know what SMT is, go check out my video. I think it's the quality is so trash, so I gotta make a new one. Boom. And pre-market. And I was stressing because there was the data was delayed. The data still delayed for for London session. So there was no London session. So that was not I never dealt with this before. But I still could have took a good freaking trade, guys. And I'm so mad I fell for manipulation. I should have known. But look, guys. As soon as market opened, we swept early, like literally these highs from Asia session. Boom, market drops. Boom. Literally, I woke up around here. I seen that it swept these highs, and it made a reaction. Let's talk about up here. Swept these highs and made a reaction. And I thought, okay, price, it broke structure, but I should have waited for another candlestick or more confluences along with that. I didn't do that. As you guys can see in the video, that's what I did wrong. I went off of a fair value gap. Should have went off of equilibrium or something, or an SMT, but no, I didn't want to do that. So literally, I messed up so bad. And it looks like we do have an SMT to the downside, but still, we were not making a downturn. We were making an uptrend. So boom, we get a liquidity sweep to the downside. Liquidity sweep. Boom, we get a liquidity sweep on the 5 minute. Swept these lows. Literally swept these lows. Boom. What do you get? A reaction. We get a breaker structure up here. We get a breaker structure in the market up here. And we had an SMT. We scroll down to the 1 minute, guys. Bro, literally money today, bro, and I sold. We just find another breaker structure. Because when market's going up, no, when the market's going down, it's making a breaker structure okay, when the market's going up on the 1 minute, it's going to start going down. Or it just like tricks you, like it manipulates you and says market's going to go down, but it doesn't. See, like this one. But low key, it just swept it. Or we could have went off of this low, actually, because it did close. But, bro, I fell for manipulation, bro. Boom, we had a breaker structure to the uptrend. We had a breaker structure up here. Boom. Swept liquidity. More liquidity, actually. Boom. We didn't have an answer for that gap, but we had, I believe, an equilibrium on the 5 minute. Let me go back. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so mad. Like, I actually could have won today, bro. I actually would have ended off with a good Friday, but it is what it is. We learn from our lessons, and that's it. Boom, we had equilibrium on the 5 minute. Boom, price did tap in and continued up. I could have took the trade on the 5 minute or the 1 minute, guys. This got on my nerves. I got so mad. Boom, we go on the 1 minute, find a breaker structure. Boom, target previous results of liquidity. Boom, we also had another equilibrium while in the trade. Boom, price literally went, or that's an invalid one. Wait, actually, guys, never mind. Sorry, that's an invalid equilibrium. It literally just went out of it because it has to go back in. If you guys didn't know that. No, guys, that 5 minute equilibrium was valid though. We just found the breaker structure to the upside, took off the trade. Boom, we get a quick reaction off of this liquidity sweep right here on the 1 minute. Boom, just continues going up and up. And it looks like we do have some fair value gaps too. This fair value gap right here literally just tapped it and continued. I mean, bro, like so much. I don't know, but I did write that down in my notebook. Did write that down in my notebook for my strat. So yeah, I'm just recording this for trade recap, bro. Cause dude, this is bad. Like I can't believe I sold on that.
The stoppage.
Because I seen that it had a big reaction, and I was looking for SMTs, but I didn't know that it created an SMT to the upside, bro. Oh my gosh, I gotta pay more attention, bro. I gotta lock in. But yeah, guys. So this is a trade recap for November 28th, and I literally just back tested this video. Literally just like I was like, bro, what did I do wrong? Because I was thinking about it all day. Like, what did I do wrong, bro? And I was just looking, and then I watched another video on my mentor, and he said that if a liquidity sweeps happens pre-market, then just wait for manipulation. Look what happened. Literally manipulated. Say that we broke structure to the downside on the 5 minute, which we did. We did break structure to the downside. And I woke up late too, so I actually would have caught the move if, I mean, God knows if I would have caught the move because I didn't even know there was manipulation. I didn't know. And look, boom, breaker structure. I thought, boom, this candle was going to continue. Nope, it just continued going up, and we lost because of what I did. So, yeah, this is my trading recap. I did lose this trade, but I back tested it and figured that I would have won if I just woken up at time. Just literally just woken up, bro. 2.59 risk reward, bro. So mad, bro. Alright, well, hope you guys have a good weekend. Put in the work on everything. Make sure to go subscribe to me and everything. Make sure to go sub up and stuff and watch some of the playlists so you guys can learn and, you know.
Yeah, it was good.
Like I said, the strategy is like a 70 chance, 60 chance of winning, but we're not just doing it for the money. We're doing it for the learning. This strategy is really good. It has a lot of confluences that protect you from failing, and you know, if you don't practice it enough, like you're not gonna make it, guys. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys my socials real quick. So make sure you guys go add me on Instagram. That's my name. Turn this down. All right, let me turn my phone down. Okay, that's my gram. And then make sure y'all go add my TikTok too. I need, bro. Like, I want to help you guys out too. Okay. And then add my TikTok. It's literally the same thing. Bull trade 777. No underscore. So hopefully you guys have a good weekend. Go work. Pray to God, and we're gonna all succeed. So see you guys next week.